One of the things that NoodleTools has for you as a student is to look at the analysis of your research. So in my research project, Why We Have to Evaluate Sources, I can click on this analysis button and it will let me know how I'm doing with my research. So it will give me some questions. Have I gathered enough information to meet the requirements? So it will show me with my note cards. Right now, I have 3 note cards. 3 of them are associated with a source in the source list. And then my content for my note cards, I have 3 with quotes, I have 3 with paraphrases, and I have 2 with ideas. All right, that gives me an idea of how many notes I currently have. The second thing it asks is, hey, what kind of media or what kind of resources are you using as you're researching? So right now, I only have 2 sources and they're both websites. So do I need to add a source that's from a print, like from a book? Do I need to find something from a scholarly database? Am I accessing books virtually or in an ebook form? Okay, and then the other questions down here is it's asking, did I make full use of the resources available? Right, so a lot of times we're going to be finding websites or e-sources. Sometimes we'll use periodicals, and most of those are going to be an online periodical. And then there is the option and the ability for you to use audio visual. So that would be a video or a podcast. Okay. Then we take a look at currency. So the date that the article was written. So one of these is 2016, so we're talking 5 years old. The other one is from 2021, for current year. So we can think about that as we are researching topics that might be time sensitive. All right, so again, that is that analytics button or an analysis button in the upper corner of your screen.